Listen up, everybody. Today is a very special day. As I informed you last week, Mrs. Catherine, a very popular chef and a reliable food critic as well, will come over to our restaurant. We don't know when she will be here. She said that would be a surprise, so you all need to get ready for that. Do you understand me? Yes, sir. Great. I love that spirit. Now, Annie, please clean up the tables and chairs. Don't forget to sweep and mop the floor. I don't want any trash on the ground.
Yes, I will do it now, Mr. Hook.
Gary, water the flowers and clean the windows and doors. And vacuum the carpet, please. Yes, sir. Mr. Chef, pass me the menu for today, please. Here it is. For breakfast, we have berries, cold cereal, cottage cheese, and some eggs. Something more special, please. That's so normal to me. We also have chicken strips, shrimp with fried mushroom, and wingdings. That sounds better. Okay, you have all the ingredients, do you? Yes, I do. Good. I want you to do your best today. It's now or never. There's no next time, no timeouts, no second chances. I got it, Mr. Hook.
Oh my gosh, everyone, she is here. Mrs. Catherine is here.
Yes, let me go out. Everyone, get to the spot.
Good morning, Mr. Hook. You look amazing.
Morning, lady. Please come in. I was waiting for you for the whole morning.
Really? Oh no, sorry. I didn't mean to make you wait for me. Sorry about that.
No. It's my pleasure to have you in my little restaurant. Don't be sorry.
By the way, your restaurant is cute. Would you take me around?
Sure. We had just opened this for almost a year, but everyone in town already loved it. We have 15 tables total, which were decorated in a vintage style.
Oh, I see. The way you organize the table make the restaurant look bigger and very neat.
Thanks. This is the bar counter. We have variety of drinks that serve different kinds of customer. Juice, smoothie, coffee, tea, cocktails. Would you like something to drink?
Not now, Mr. Hook. Maybe after the meal.
Sure. Now, may we provide you with something for your breakfast, ma'am?
I would like to look at the menu first, please.
Yeah, of course. Please pick your table, and I will ask the waiter to give you our menu right away.
Okay. Let's see what you have on the menu. Wow, it is so impressive. There are so many things I want to try out. Hello, Mrs. Catherine. I will be your server today. If you need any help, please call me. Thanks. I want a spicy noodle soup, a Thai salad, and cottage cheese. I am allergic to green onions, so please take them out. Yes, ma'am. Can I get you something to drink? Mineral water will be fine. Okay, please wait for about 20 minutes.
As you can see, we are closed today to welcome only a special guest, which is used to our restaurant.
Oh, you don't have to do that, Mr. Hook. I'm just a normal guest.
After your meal, I can take you around our kitchen.
Certainly. I am very curious about what is happening behind that door.
Our staff are working hard to bring out the best food for the customer, of course.
Mr. Hook, can I ask you something?
Yes, anything. You can ask me anything.
I read some of the reports recently, and honestly, some of them are against you and your business.
What do you mean by that?
What do you say about the complaints that they said the customers were disrespectful when they came to your restaurant?
No way, that is not true. We will never be rude to our clients. Bringing them a good experience at our restaurant is our responsibility.
They have the video on YouTube, I watched them.
They were just a little misunderstanding. You were not there. You don't understand the whole story.
Okay, how about hygiene and food safety?
We got the certification. I can take it for you. Annie, give me the certificate of completion for level 2 hygiene and food safety.
Oh, my food is here. Luckily, I am a little bit hungry already.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Excuse me, did I say that I was allergic to green onion?
I believe you did.
So, why are some of them in my soup?
Oh my, it is our fault. So sorry, Annie. Annie, change the soup to another now. No green onion. What's wrong with you?
It is okay, Mr. Hook. Maybe she was so nervous. Just take it easy. I can try the salad first. It is really tasty. I like it.
You do? I am so happy to hear that. This is our main dish.
Wait a second. What is this? Don't you tell me this is an inchworm?
What? An inchworm? No, let me see. Ma'am.
Can I get into the kitchen, please?
Yes, sure. Annie, show Mrs. Catherine the kitchen.
It's okay. I know the way. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Sorry, Mrs. Catherine. I know it looked a little bit messy in here. We are cleaning. Is it not like that on a normal day, ma'am?
Unbelievable. Is this the soup that you just made for me? It smells like spoil. When did you cook it?
Please go back to your table. I can explain all of this. Is it not what you thought?
So, the reports were right, Mr. Hook. I know what to write on the paper. Now I must leave. That's enough for today. Goodbye.
No, please. Mrs. Catherine, I am screwed.